Hello, I am Mallory Dobrinsky from the Ellsworth Junior Senior High School. Today, I will be demonstrating how to make weighted lap pads. First, we need to gather all of our materials. Sitting here, I have a rotary cutter, a ruler, a cutting board, and 2 coordinating fabrics. We need to cut our fabric to 18 by 12 inch rectangles, which will end up looking like this. And then when you are done, I would like for you guys to join me at the sewing machine. Instead of going to the sewing machine, first we're gonna hit up the iron. And we're gonna iron 1/4 of an inch on both of our rectangles that we have cut out at the top of the fabric. Now that both sides of our seams are ironed, we are going to lay both the right sides of the fabric together and pin just the side parts. Now that we have both sides pinned together, we are going to sew them with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now that we have both sides sewn together, we want to clip all of our loose strings. Now that all of our strings are clipped, we want to turn it so it's right side out. Now that that is done, we want to find the middle seam hot dog style. I like to find my middle seam by folding in half and ironing. Now that that is found, we are going to sew down the middle. Now that we have it ironed, we're going to open it up and sew down the line that we had ironed. Now we are splitting what we just sewed into thirds, letter style. And if you would like to, you can take the iron to it. Now we're taking it back to the machine and sewing on the lines that we previously ironed. With these stitches that you're going to make sure you backstitch. Now that we have all of our pockets sewn, we should have 6. We're going to fill them with your choice of filling. I chose to do rice, and we're going to do 8 ounces. Now that you have measured out your rice, you're going to pour it into your pockets. And for me, I like to do 3 at a time. Now that I have the pockets filled, I'm going to pin it so the rice doesn't fall out. Now this part with the rice being in the pockets is going to be a little tricky, so make sure you take your time. And also backstitch at both the top and the bottom. Also, make sure you use a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Now that we're done, we're going to repeat and do to the other side. This is what it should look like when it is all finished.